Hey guys, I'm David. This is my first video log. I've just finished my blog post, so please immediately after you watch this go check that out at Life of 72. So what I wrote about in my blog was this concept called ALARP, as low as reasonably practicable. It's something I just couldn't get out of my head over the last few weeks. I kept thinking this would be really helpful when we think about any sort of engineering design, whether it's a machine, whether it's a building, whatever it is. How could we think deeper about the project, reimagining its design, but not keep going down so that we actually change fundamentally what the project is, but go down to a level where we're comfortable. Well, not where we're comfortable, but where any further actual improvements in its sustainability or environmental footprint actually isn't really worth the economic cost that you're going to put in. But this common question is, or the statement of, oh, such and such should do more, the government should do more, and the project owner of this should do more, and it just becomes a bit of an echo chamber about this. And I think, I definitely agree. I'm really passionate about the environment, protecting the environment. That's why I'm an engineer. That's why I've spent the last 6 years doing this. But that conversation kind of goes nowhere when we shift all the blame onto someone. So I just wanted to kind of explore, okay, we want people to do more. What does more look like? So I started thinking about some projects, and what came to mind was the Scarborough Beach pool. It got a 6-star green rating. And immediately when I think about that, it's like, oh wow, 6-star green rating. That's awesome. That's the highest stars you can get. Must be a really great project. And it is a good project. But then I remembered, it's a chlorinated pool, unsheltered, next to a beach. I mean, what was so sustainable about that idea? And that's where this ALARP principle really came into being. I started thinking about, okay, instead of just whacking on a safety rating, or an environmental rating on something, how can we think further about how do we drive sustainability into this project? They put in geothermal systems, great. Maybe let's put some shelter over it so it stops the wind blowing over it and having massive evaporative losses. Maybe we could scrap the chlorinated pool and just use salt water, limiting the chemical use, pumps and filter use. And as you can see, as soon as we start actually backing away from, let's just put an energy rating on something and let's think further, deeper about how we could change the project, we get some really good benefits and really easily. So that's a little bit of a recap. Please check out my blog post, and I'm going to go into some more deets with that. I hope you enjoy it and it's easy to read. See you next time.